The territory of Porus, who offered strong resistance to Alexander, was situated between the rivers of A. Satluj and B. Jhelum and Chenab, C. Ravi and Chenab, D. Ganga and Yamuna. The answer is B. Jhelum and Chenab. Under Akbar, the Mir Bakshi was required to look after A. Military affairs, B. The state treasury, C. The royal household, D. The land revenue system. The answer is A. Military affairs. Tripitakas are sacred books of A. Buddhists, B. Hindus, C. Jains, D. None of the above. The answer is A. Buddhists. The theory of economic drain of India during British imperialism was propounded by A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Dadabhai Nauroji, C. R.C. Datta, D. M.K. Gandhi. The answer is B. Dadabhai Nauroji. The Treaty of Srirangapatna was signed between Tipu Sultan and A. Robert Clive, B. Cornwallis, C. Dalhousie, D. Warren Hastings. The answer is B. Cornwallis. The system of competitive examination for civil service was accepted in principle in the year A. 1833, B. 1853, C. 1858, D. 1882. The answer is B. 1853. The Vijayanagara ruler, Krishnadev Raya's work, Amuktamalyada, was in A. Telugu, B. Sanskrit, C. Tamil, D. Kannada. The answer is A. Telugu. The use of kharoshti in ancient Indian architecture is the result of India's contact with A. Central Asia, B. Iran, C. Greece, D. China. The answer is C. Greece. Todar Mal was associated with A. Music, B. Literature, C. Finance, D. Law. The answer is C. Finance. The title of Viceroy was added to the office of the Governor-General of India for the first time in A. 1848 AD, B. 1856 AD, C. 1858 AD, D. 1862 AD. The answer is C. 1858 AD. Two of the great Mughals wrote their own memories. There were A. Babur and Humayun, B. Humayun and Jahangir, C. Babur and Jahangir, D. Jahangir and Shah Jahan. The answer is C. Babur and Jahangir. To which king belongs the lion capital at Sarnath? A. Chandragupta, B. Ashoka, C. Kanishka, D. Harsha. The answer is B. Ashoka. The language of discourses of Gautam Buddha was A. Bhojpuri, B. Magadhi, C. Pali, D. Sanskrit. The answer is C. Pali. Veluthampi led a revolt against the British in state of A. Travancore, B. Baroda, C. Hyderabad, D. Mysore. The answer is A. Travancore. The term Yavanapriya mentioned in ancient Sanskrit texts denoted A. Ivory, B. Pepper, C. Variety of Indian muslin, D. Dance performance. The answer is B. Pepper. To which of the Republic of Buddha belong? A. Likchavas, B. Sakyas, C. Mallas, D. None of the above. The answer is B. Sakyas. The title given by the British government to Mahatma Gandhi which he surrendered during the non-cooperation movement was A. Hind Kesari, B. Kaiser-e-Hind, C. Rai Bahadur, D. RT. Honorable. The answer is B. Kaiser-e-Hind. Tipu Sultan was the ruler of A. Hyderabad, B. Madurai, C. Mysore, D. Vijayanagar. The answer is C. Mysore. The system of dual government during the latter half of the 18th century AD is associated with the name of A. Clive, B. Cornwallis, C. Warren Hastings, D. William Bentinck. The answer is A. Clive. The Vedas contain all the truth was interpreted by A. Swami Vivekanand, B. Swami Dayananda, C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, D. None of the above. The answer is B. Swami Dayananda.